All right, all right, all right. We got Thursday morning after the Fed, and I'm taking a look at SPX futures, and really we got a daily bear flag trigger. So I'm suspecting it's going to be a push down for the rest of the day. Yeah, we've already broken the test of the low. So this is the bar down. Here's the retrace, and then this is the break of yesterday's low. And this was the test. This was the high of the flag, the low. I'm sorry, low of the pole, and then it broke that low of the pole, and away it goes. What's interesting is on the 240s we still have that divergence, and we can't even call that a flag. We're still looking for a retrace, so I'm gonna watch that. And there's a little red finger right there. There's the first red histogram bar. So we're going to look for signals that it may return. Hope springs eternal. We got this nice gap right here that could be looking for a fill. So I'm going to look for that, try to play that. I still can't get off that bullish head. And Bitcoin's taking a beating. This is just a risk management issue, or a risk fear issue, really. Nothing fundamental. Everybody insisted that 3/4 points would do it, shock the market, and then everybody would get involved. Honestly, I think real money's aware that interest rate hikes are not going to solve this problem. This isn't a supply problem, or this isn't a demand problem. So suppressing the demand is not going to resolve the problem. It's going to take a little control. I wonder what Biden can do. I mean, can he go in there and force corporations to reduce their profit margins? Because really, that's what's doing it, man. I mean, the companies are still making money. I mean, yeah, they have inflation because everybody's worried about the shareholder and the profit margins. Diminish the profit margins. They should preserve their market. You know, this is bad long-term thinking, if you ask me. They're worried about each quarter's profit margins and shareholder satisfaction. But if they unified and capped their profit margin temporarily to get us out of this situation, um, they would stem inflation. They just know that the consumer has the money in the bank, so they're going to suck it all out. It's a problem. And then we got that idiot Putin, and then we got China, and it's all our fault because we put all this power in their hands. We put this power in their hands by letting them manufacture for us and buying their oils and stuff like that. Politicians are stupid. And you know what? As big an idiot as Trump was, he was screaming about this stuff. You know, he was talking about it, and everybody called him a nationalist and all that shit. And yeah, you know, here it is. Chickens came home to roost. So on that happy note, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Um, Everybody take a look at Cheney and tell me what you think about Cheney. She's not diehard Republican. She's more middle of the road. Um, and I think I could live with her downsides because I like her upsides. She's pro energy, but she's pro environment, but she wants good alternatives for people. She doesn't want to put people out of work. She doesn't want to press energy. She wants a good transition. Um, she's in a nice place. I think she'd be good for the country. So if you're dropping comments, let me know what you think of Liz Cheney.